Hello, and welcome to today's risk-based inspection presentation on defining the master asset list. My name is Paul Sheriff. I'm a chartered engineer and a fellow of the Institution of Mechanical Engineers. I've been working on COMA sites in the UK for over 25 years. I'm API 580 certified, and I've been implementing risk-based inspection since 2012. I hope that you're enjoying watching our series of videos on risk-based inspection. In this presentation, I will cover how to define the master asset list. Before you decide to implement risk-based inspection, it's worth stating that not all countries recognise risk-based inspection yet. For instance, RBI is not recognised in Brazil yet. Instead, a local prescriptive regulation known as NR13 sets out the minimum inspection intervals, etc. that apply. In some parts of Europe, RBI can only be used if you can justify and document your decision-making process to the regulator. In other parts of the world, RBI can be applied, but there are limits on the time between assessment intervals which need to be observed, like a maximum of 10 years. It's important that you understand these limitations before you start an implementation. Which assets you intend to implement RBI on really depends on your reason for the implementation. For instance, if you're looking to improve process safety on site, you may choose the assets with the greatest consequence of failure. On the other hand, if you're looking to improve reliability on site, then you may choose the area or unit where you can make the greatest improvement. RBI can be applied to all pressure-containing equipment. However, you might decide not to apply it to pump bowls because a pump may already have inspection and condition monitoring regimes that are examining the pump regularly. There are also some states of the US, for instance California, where RBI cannot be applied to pressure relief devices. Whichever reason is driving your application of RBI, and whichever equipment you intend to apply the process to, that will influence which equipment list you decide to use. However, whether you decide to use your P&IDs, your asset register, your current inspection regime equipment, or specific process duties as your list, it is important to field verify that the equipment is still in the field and still in operation. When it comes to implementing RBI, one of the biggest influences will be the resources that are available to you. Our own experience and approach to start with a pilot project that samples different equipment and different processes in a facility. This shows quickly how the process can be applied and the results it may produce. To show the effectiveness of RBI, it is better to apply it to all the equipment in a unit where the highest risk fluids are present, as this will also show the widest range of risk priorities. If you would like some more information on today's topic, or you would like some help or advice with your asset integrity program, then take a look at our website or send us an email, and we'd be happy to help. Also, if there are any further topics that you would like us to feature, then please let us know. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the presentation, and thank you for your time.